water flows from this pipe into this glass which is connected to the switch, and because of the weight of the water in this glass, it goes down and it turns off automatically. In this glass there is a U pipe as in Siphon's principle. In Siphon's principle, water from a heighted point goes and comes out through the lower point. When the water level reaches till this bend, U bend, then the water starts flowing down. Ma'am, as this is a working model, the water circulates and we don't have need to put new water again and again. Water is salty. Ma'am, when we forget to off the switch with water, the pump is left on and the electricity is also wasted. When there is weight in this glass, it goes down and the switch of the pump gets off automatically. Yes, so.
What is the advantage of this machine you have designed?
So the advantage of this machine is it uses the things which are cheap and which are easily available in the market. Like sir, there is an overhead tank and base tank in our house. We only have to have the body of the machine with a pipe with two cords with two plugs and sir one glass.
So where you will fit this switch?
So this. So in where the switch of the pump is, instead of that we switch this switch so that it holds the container also.
No, where you will use it or where you have to use this switch. Suppose at the fourth floor there is a tank. So where you will fit this switch?
So near the tank.
Near the tank.
Yes, so near the tank or near the switch box.
Switch box.
So this
How
is.
will the water come to the switch box?
So there is a pipe which we take that water from the overhead tank and it will.
There tube, pipe, water tube to the switch box.
Yes, sir. So in siphon principle, there is a U pipe. In the U pipe, there is one point is at the higher level and one is at the lower level. When the water level reaches till that bend of that pipe, then the heighted point of that pipe starts taking the water and it sends out through this lower point.
It automatically, if there is no hole,
Yes.
it can off the switch. Isn't
Yes.
it? So what is the use of this hole and pipe?
Sir, this
Your purpose is to save the water
Yes.
and switch off the
Sir,
electric supply.
yes.
Okay? So when it will go down, it will automatically switch off.
Yes.
So what is the necessity of this?
Sir, if today I do this and there is no pipe, and tomorrow if I want to on it again, then the weight will be there in the water. And instead of taking that glass and throwing it again and again, we can use this siphon's principle there.
So suppose after 1 hour you want to switch it on again.
Sir, till that time the water will go in another bucket. There will be another bucket. The water will go in that bucket and we can on it again.
After 1 hour.
Yes, sir. Water is full. How much time you need to off it, that much water it will save.
Thank you. Very nice.
Welcome, sir. My name is Vidyan
Which
Bhavan.
standard you are?
5th Division B. My project name
What
is
this?
Homemade electronic motor.
Homemade electric motor.
Pieces of wire to its negative and positive points and connect the other end with paper file pins. Stick the two pins on a plain surface of the box. Then take 24 gauge of motor winder, wire half a meter and wind it on the battery to make a coil. Start and end of the coil wire is cleaned with the knife so the insulation is removed and
So, can you show us the demonstration?
yes,
Which runs.
So,
it is the principle of motor.
principle of motor.
Initial thought is essential.
No, not
Yes.
everything. There is actually, you have to do the copper on one side.
What?
So, why you want to bring it to a science exhibition?
Sir, it is a principle of a motor.
It is a principle of motor.
Yes,
That's the idea you want to say.
yes.
What is this?
It's a magnet.
Magnet. Instead of this circular coil,
Yes.
is it possible to make a motor with a rectangular coil?
Yes,
If you make
Yes.
this,
but the paper clip is made of steel only.
steel only.
Yes.
Why?
The electricity is the best conduction of steel.
Steel.
Yes.
Is there any other material like silver which conduct electricity?
Uh,
Silver pins वापरले तर चालेल? But you use silver
no,
pins? No. Why?
sir, it is not attracting to electricity.
Silver.
Yes. Water will be get heated on pipe also. It will be get hot water also and cooked food.
While cooking food, this pipe should be
Okay.
around the, because the heat which
Okay.
evolves,
Yeah.
or you can
So the-
radiate,
yeah, yeah.
that
So
can
that-
be utilized. Actually, there is no burner. They have to show or something like that. There should be an arrangement which shows, there should be some pictures.
Heat from the food will.
So, what is the use of this hot water you going to use for?
We will use for bath and for drinking.
Hot water you drink?
When we are fever aware.
So, will it go up and down automatically? How?
When we put water put in this pipe, the water will go.
Then it will not
But
make.
but do you?
Sure. The
What is your name?
part Dengri,
Your standard?
6th standard.
Overload?
Overload sense of bridge.
Overload?
Sense of bridge.
Oh, so tell me.
Sir, you have seen that in our India there is one rule that don't drive overload cars. And when we drive overload cars, police can take fine rupees per rule. And because when we see carefully that police are catching another man police are catching that man who is not driving overload car, and who is driving overload car he is not getting catch. And because of that I am making one formula which can help RTO police to catch man who is driving overload vehicle. Sir. See, this is overload vehicle. When any overload vehicle come on this, that gets start. and that RTO police warn that this car is overload.
How it works?
Huh?
How does it work?
See. When any vehicle come on this, you are seeing these rods. In that rods there are springs. In springs,
Yeah, so already RTO are having some ideas like that.
they are checking in cars and seeing that what is in the
Yeah, in
what is in
highway, all the big highways, they are having these kind of.
yes. And when it comes up, that goes down, and because of that goes down, and that wire attach that battery, and because of that this gate starts.
So this model is already there with RTO. So what is new about your project?
Means this that R2 police can get that overload done. Means
RTO
this.
people have sent you
Huh?
to show their model.
Yes.
Good.
Any questions? That will start and R2 police get confused. Yes, you are getting that questions. But this bridge is only for that trucks which are working for getting soils, petrol and that things to another place.
And what about normal buses and all?
No, that's how RTO have the design. Na? If you see, you can see the buses lane, private car lane, trucks lane. That's why RTO have designed.
Yes, similar model there also.
Yeah, it's like that same. So, have you been to any this highway? Have you traveled to Bombay Pune highway?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So, if you've been to any Bombay Pune highway or Bangalore highway, okay, you will find the RTO there is also. They are having the same kind of design. Okay. So the question you are telling that if there is more traffic, it can sense the load also. So that's why RTO having the same section. In road they divide into a parts. Like one lane will be truck, one lane will be buses, one lane will be private car. They already designed. And the truck will have the sensor, the other will not have the sensors.
Yes.
Okay, so that's how it's working. So we are asking, so the technology out there. So what are you going to say about your technology? What are you going to sell it?
I'm thinking that I will give this to RTO police then,
They already
and
have
be.
it.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Good presentation.
Good presentation. So you are showing what?
Crossing the road पे काम आएगा?
Take out bore.
Okay. So which standard you are?
5th.
Hey, which standard you are? Sixth. Okay.
So this trucks goes and drill like this way. And when water is up, that time with the motor they can take water up and they can put some pipes and they will have water. And if the drill is not there, first some people are checking there is water or not. They have machines, and afterwards then that they know there here is water. They drill there. There are two layers. Upper part is normal, means very light soil, and down are like that big stones. So when they drill inside that stone or near that stone there is water. When they drill, that water is coming up. So or they can put here down sensor. Then they will get there here is water. Then they will put one pipe there and they will take water up from motor.
So what is groundwater?
That water is pure, so we can in now India there are so many villages they don't have water. So we have to take tankers and all. They are dirty water. So we are taking the help of underground and pure water.
But
Because
underground water has exploited long back and it's just about to finish also.
sir, but in some area there is lot of water and we don't know.
drill in very very deep, so they get very more
Do
water.
you know what is groundwater is? How groundwater happens?
Sir, when rain is come, that time the water goes inside the ground and settle there, and a very year pass, but people didn't know that there is water, and they are searching where is water, where is river, where is dams. So when, and it is pure because in mud layers that time they are going from that side, it's pure because all jumps are salted.
Some borewell waters are not potable, means not good to drink.
Do you know about arsenic and all? Do you know?
And if you go on drilling the earth, what will happen?
Sir, after drilling we put pipe and there water is well. Yes.
So what you will do at that time?
Sir, when first time there rain is come, so when there they will search more, and because water is in this layer or it can be in so deep also, so they are deeping more it can get.
Do you see that this municipality having already this kind of traps to bore?
Yes, I know.
It's already there.
Yes.
So what is the unity about this?
So I just saw how they work, means in our building apartment they come, so only I told that how
So
it's
you are
work.
what? You are showing the principle of.
Yes.
I have made one theme that best from best. For that, I have put solar water heater. It works on the greenhouse principle. When that water is put in that container, that water is going through that pipes. Inside there is a refrigerator condenser coil through which the water is passed. When that water is passed, due to the greenhouse effect, it is getting heated, and because of that heated refrigerator condenser coil, the water also heats, and it heated water is coming out. And my second project is handmade generator. These generators are some nowadays computers are getting means thrown. From that thrown computer, many electricity can be generated. This is one floppy drive. Here I have attached one LED bulb, which through which when we move it, this bulb can light. This bulb is getting loosed, so sometimes it can light, sometimes it cannot. And this is how the motor works. This one magnet is there. This magnet is having many south and north poles, and when it is fixed over it and when it is rotated, this north south is getting created friction, and that friction's energy, this copper wire is transferring that energy into electricity and sending it outside. Greenhouse effects means when the sun rays are falling on, when the light is falling on this acrylic sheet, this it is going through it and it is bouncing, and because of it bouncing, its frequency is changed, and when it is going, yes, frequency is changed.
About that,
Yes, sir.
frequency changes.
Frequency changes of that sun rays, and because of that it cannot go out, and that rays cannot go out, so it is getting heated.
This is not a greenhouse effect. And frequency doesn't change. Frequency constant. When light travels from one medium to another, frequency remains the same. What happened? The higher frequencies rays goes inside, but there is no outside way for the lower frequencies. So heat goes on accumulating. कारची दारं बंद कर, कार के दरवाजे बंद करते वक्त गर्मी शुरू होती है. It allows you only some kind of gel and don't allow the lower radiating areas. This is the enough. What is this?
This is also small floppy drive.
Rocket.
This is the motor.
Same, you can light the LED. How will you drive it?
So do you think this greenhouse effect is sufficient to warm up the water?
Yes, sir.
Have you tried?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can test it now also. If outside sun is there, we can test it.